Nature is powerful, unpredictable, and sometimes downright unbelievable. From glowing oceans and exploding trees to tornadoes made of fire and waves frozen mid-crash, these are moments so rare, you have to see them to believe them. Join us as we dive into 20 of the most jaw-dropping natural phenomena ever captured on camera. Get ready to be amazed. 1. Volcanic lightning. During an eruption, Chile, a surreal combination of ash, fire, and electricity. This rare phenomenon was filmed during the eruption of Chile's Calbuco volcano. 2. Fire tornado caught on film, a whirlwind of flame twisting into the sky. This terrifying fire tornado was captured during a wildfire in Australia. 3. Bioluminescent waves in the Maldives. Footage of glowing blue waves caused by bioluminescent plankton lighting up the shoreline at night. 4. Whale breaching. Next to a kayaker. A humpback whale launches out of the ocean just feet from a stunned kayaker. The definition of being at the right place at the right time. 5. Time-lapse of supercell storm forming. USA. Nature's fury in action. A hauntingly beautiful supercell thunderstorm captured in a time-lapse in the Great Plains. 6. Snow tsunami, Russia. Security camera footage caught a terrifying wall of snow crashing into a building, an avalanche moving like a tidal wave. 7. Eagle snatching a goat off a cliff. An astonishing clip showing the power of golden eagles as they swoop down and lift mountain goats off steep cliffs. 8. Solar eclipse over a deserted island. A drone captures a total solar eclipse in a remote location. The sudden shift from daylight to darkness is surreal. 9. Rare rainbow cloud formation, fire rainbow. Caught above the Himalayas, this iridescent cloud stunned viewers with its spectrum of neon-like colors. 10. 11th. Tornado of birds, murmuration. Thousands of starlings moving in unison, creating massive swirling patterns in the sky. Nature's own aerial ballet. 12th great white shark breaches to snatch. Seal high-speed camera captures a shark leaping entirely out of the water in pursuit of a seal, both brutal and majestic. "13. Frozen bubbles in methane lakes, Canada. Below the surface of Alberta's Lake Abraham, pockets of methane gas trapped under the ice create an alien-looking landscape.
And now the time is
14. Lava meeting ocean. Creation in action. Filmed in Hawaii, molten lava pours into the ocean, sending up clouds of steam as new land is formed. "15. Aurora Borealis from the space station. Astronauts aboard the ISS captured stunning footage of the northern lights from orbit, an extraterrestrial view of Earth's magic. 16. Glacier calving the size of Manhattan, Greenland. The largest calving event ever recorded shows a chunk of ice the size of Manhattan breaking off a glacier.
That was great.
17. River suddenly reversing course. Hurricane Katrina. During Hurricane Katrina, the Mississippi River was filmed temporarily reversing flow due to storm surge, a rare hydrological event. 18. Tree exploding from lightning strike. A bolt of lightning strikes a tree, causing it to explode into splinters. The moment is caught on a home security cam.
And that?
19. Desert bloom. After 20 years, Atacama Desert. After rare rainfall, Chile's Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, suddenly bursts into a sea of wildflowers. 20. Frozen wave in mid-break. A surreal shot from Antarctica, where a wave appears suspended in motion, frozen mid-crest by extreme cold. From the fiery skies to frozen waves, these stunning moments remind us of nature's raw power and breathtaking beauty. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbelievable footage from around the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.